The most popular leather car seat covers aren't always the best. That's what I learned the hard way. Everyone says theirs fits perfectly, looks luxurious, and lasts forever. But once you start reading real buyer complaints, the story changes fast. Today, we're cutting through the hype with 5 real contenders that actually deliver. Product number 1, Elantrip 2 PC front covers. First up is the Elantrip 2 PC front car seat covers, a sleek black faux leather set priced at just under $60. What caught my eye was the claim of universal fit for everything from a Camry to an F-150 plus a 180-day durability guarantee. If you want solid front seat protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The diamond quilted design isn't just for show, it adds padding that makes long drives more comfortable. The material is waterproof and tear-resistant, so spills or pet claws won't ruin your seats. Installation takes about 10 minutes with hidden straps that don't interfere with airbag deployment, a huge safety plus. Now some people complained about the fit not being perfect on older models, especially around the seat base. Here's the thing though, for under $60 you're getting a near-custom look with real functionality. It's not flawless, but for the price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you drive a common sedan or SUV from 2002 onward and want affordable, stylish front seat protection. Skip this one if you need rear coverage or drive a very old or rare vehicle. For the money, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Coverado Full Set Covers. Next is the Coverado Full Set, a step up in both price and ambition at $217. This isn't just front covers, it's a complete 5-piece set including the rear bench, all in smooth Napa-style faux leather. If you want full interior transformation with a luxury feel, this one's built for you. The key here is the 3D scanned fit. Coverado claims it fits over 99% of vehicles without blocking airbags, seatbelts, or even massage functions, which is rare. The breathable foam padding adds real comfort and the Velcro-secured rear pieces adapt to different seat widths. With 300 plus sold last month, it's clear people are investing in full coverage. The porous leather also resists fading and dust, so your interior stays fresh longer. Now some buyers said the rear installation can get tricky, especially if your back seats have unusual contours. Here's the thing though, once it's on, it stays put and looks factory installed. The extra effort pays off in long-term protection and style. This is perfect for you if you want a complete interior refresh and drive a mainstream car, truck, or SUV. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need front protection. At over $200, it's a premium choice, but it delivers. Product number 3, Horse Kingdom Full Set. Now if Coverado's price made you pause, the Horse Kingdom Full Set might be your answer. At $64.53, it offers full front and rear coverage in durable PU leather, a fraction of the cost. If you want complete protection without the luxury markup, this one's a smart middle ground. It's waterproof, breathable, and designed to resist spills, pet hair, and daily wear. The non-slip backing keeps everything in place while still allowing airbag deployment, safety first. Installation is tool-free and takes minutes, and the universal fit works for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. With 300 plus sold recently, it's a popular pick for families and pet owners who need practical coverage. Now, some users mention the material can feel a bit stiff at first and may wrinkle over time. Here's the thing though, it's still way more durable than cloth, and the wrinkles add character, not weakness. For under $70, you're getting serious protection that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want full seat coverage on a budget and don't mind a slightly utilitarian feel. Skip this one if you're after a high-end, soft-touch leather experience. It's value done right. Product number 4, Diffcar Ford F-150 Custom Fit. Alright, that was a solid universal option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you drive a Ford F-150. The Diffcar Custom Fit Set at $257 is laser scanned and hand-stitched specifically for 2015-2026 F-150 Super Crew models. If you want a factory-installed look that actually fits, this is it. Unlike universal covers that leave gaps, this one wraps every inch, no exposed edges, no slipping, no compromise. The faux leather is thicker and more breathable, with micro perforations that won't interfere with heated or cooled seats. It's built to protect your investment and elevate your truck's interior like an OEM upgrade. Now, some buyers were frustrated by the limited compatibility. It only fits F-150s, nothing else. Here's the thing though, if you own one of these trucks, that specificity is a strength, not a flaw. You're getting precision where others offer guesswork. This is perfect for you if you drive a Ford F-150 and want long-term, edge-to-edge protection. Skip this one if you have a different vehicle. It's expensive, but for F-150 owners, it's worth every penny. Product number 5, BOPUOVRE2 PC with storage. Finally, the BOPUOVRE2 PC set at $56.61 brings a clever twist, a storage pocket on the bottom cushion and a triangle quilted design that's both stylish and grippy. If you want front protection with a little extra function, this one stands out. The wraparound design covers more surface area than most, and the non-slip gel bottom keeps it locked in place. The upgraded PU leather resists water and wear, and the raised quilted pattern adds subtle comfort on long drives. At under $60, it's one of the most affordable options with real design thought. Now, some users said the storage pocket isn't deep enough for large items. Here's the thing though, it's perfect for phones, keys, or sunglasses, and the added utility is still a nice touch at this price. This is perfect for you if you want affordable front covers with a modern look and a bit of extra storage. Skip this one if you need rear coverage or drive in extreme climates. The material isn't rated for heavy sun exposure long-term. Still, for daily use, it's a smart buy. So which one wins? For budget front protection, Elantrip and BOPUOVRE are tough to beat. Need full coverage, Horse Kingdom delivers value while Coverado brings luxury. And if you drive a Ford F-150, diff car is in a league of its own. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly which fits your car, your needs, and your budget.